Who's Deborah Carr singing to? It's Yul Brynner. And who is Mitzi Gaynor talking to? It's Rossano Brazzi. A full television screen doesn't always mean a full picture.
Get the picture? Get the picture?
A television version of a movie can crop the picture as much as 50% just to make it fit the screen.
Getting to know.
Even with the bands at the top and bottom, a widescreen version shows all the singing, all the dancing, even all the acting.
Yes. Now, Moses is a very fine illustration of little-known fact.
Take a look at the TV version of The King and I.
Yes. We better be going in.
Now, here's the same scene in its original feature film format.
We better be going in.
Don't miss half the movie. Get the whole picture with widescreen movies during AMC's 4th Annual Film Preservation Festival.